Hello everyone, welcome to Crackit. In this video, let us see installing Java and doing setpath. We'll go step by step. To install Java, first of all, we'll go to browser and search for download JDK 14. This is the latest version that is available currently. Now on the first link, you will see Java AC 14 archive downloads, or you can even go with this URL. I'll even put this URL in description box. You can go with this URL. Then scroll down. Here Java Development Kit 14.0.1. So this is licensed under Oracle Technology Network license agreement. Fine. So here you can see all the versions that are available for various operating systems. For this, my system is running on Windows 64-bit. So I will be installing this Windows 64 installer. Click over here and checkbox accept it. I reviewed and accept, and click on download. The download will start. Once the download is complete, you can find that particular file in your download folder. I have already downloaded it. So we'll come down to download folder, and here I'll search for JDK. So here JDK 14 is already downloaded. I will run this. Double click on it, this installation folder. Okay, click yes. And the installation will start. It is saying preparing to install. So similarly, you can install and click next. Simple procedure to install Java. Next. And the installation will begin. It will take 30 or 40 seconds to install. We'll wait till it gets installed. Okay, now the installation is successful. It is saying successfully installed. Close it. Now, to check whether Java is installed properly or not, you have to go to your C drive. By default, it will be installed over here. You can change the location during installation as well. C drive, go to program files. Then over here, a Java folder is created. You double click it, and here you can see JDK 14.0. This file folder has been installed. I'll go into it. So here I can see, okay, it is installed. That means Java is installed on your system. Now, to see whether Java is properly installed or not, we will go to command prompt. So Windows R, you press Windows R, a run window will come. Over here, type CMD. CMD is command. It is for command prompt. So command prompt will be opened. I have just, you can see at your system, it will be a black color screen. I have just edited it and changed it to white background so that it is more clear. Okay, now here just type Java space dash version dash or hyphen Java hyphen version. Click enter. Now here you can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Java is installed properly, but I need to tell my command prompt where the Java file has been installed. Or even you can see Java C. Java C is nothing but Java compile space dash version. Enter. Again it is giving me the same thing. Now there are two ways to handle it. Okay, let us go one by one. First way is setpath through command prompt. Okay, let us do it. How to do setpath in command prompt? First of all, go to that installation folder where it has been installed. Inside C, program file, Java, JDK. Okay, now go to bin. So just see carefully. C, program files, Java, JDK 14. That folder and bin. Click over here and select this complete path. Right click, copy. Okay, come back to command prompt Here you type set space path equal to, okay, right click, paste. Now this is a path, semicolon, enter. Now set path has been done. That means I'm giving a command prompt the path where Java is installed. Okay, now let us see our previous commands. Java version, it is giving me, yeah, Java version 14.0.2. Java C version, enter. Java C 14.0. So this Java and Java C are of both same versions. Okay, even you can just type Java and see whether Java is installed or not. You can see these options will come, that means Java is installed. Otherwise it will say internal external error. Okay, now also type Java C, enter. Again a list of options will come for Java C as well. There, that means you have done set path properly. You have installed Java and you have done set path properly. Okay, now I close this window, this command prompt. Okay, I'll go to command prompt once again, cmd winr, enter. Here I'll type that Java once again, enter Java. Again it is saying Java C is not recognized. Let us see Java C, same error. So the drawback with set path through command prompt is that every time you close your command prompt, it will go away. So every time you have to do set path. The drawback is every time we need to do set path. That's the drawback with command prompt. Okay, now there is one more way to do it. The another way to do it is set path through environment variables. Let us do with it. Okay, now here if you want to see, just a minute. Okay, now here if you want to see, want to do set path again, you have to follow the same thing, set space path equal to, and right click, paste, semicolon, enter. Set path is done. Now if you do Java, option will come. Now if you do Java C, option will come. So you understood the drawback with doing set path from command prompt is every time you open a new command prompt, you have to do set path each time. So to remove this, we have another way, that is through environment variables. Okay, let us do it with environment variables. For that, go to your this PC or my computer on your screen. Right click on my computer on this PC, go to properties. In properties on the left side, there will be advanced system settings. Search advanced system settings, click on it. Then here a window will pop up, system properties. There we have a lot of options. Go to advanced, in that tab, go to advanced tab, and here you will find environment variable button. Click on it. Now in environment variable button, there will be two views. One is top view, this is second. So user variable, and second is system variables. Okay. Now in user variable, search for path variable. There will be a variable called as path. Okay, there is a path. Now select this path, click edit. Now you will see a variable name is path and variable value is something. There will be some paths already. Even on your system, this will be there. Don't remove anything over here. Just put semicolon at the end and paste the path which you have copied, that bin path of our C programs. Where what is the path? C program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, select it, copy this path, come to variable, and over here paste it, semicolon, paste it, again put a semicolon, click OK, done. Then click OK once again, click OK, done. This is how we will do set path through environment variables. Now if you go to command prompt, let us see whether we have done set path properly or not. Now you type javac. Yes, we have done set path properly. Then you do java. Both the commands are running properly. That means we have properly done set path through environment variables. The advantage of doing it through environment variable is that do it only once. So any number of times you open command prompt, the set path will be there permanently. Okay, now here I will check java space version. It will give me java version, javac version -version. It is giving me javac version as well. Okay, so both ways, either through command prompt or through environment variable. We will prefer environment variable because do it only once, and any number of times you can go with directly go with installation and execution. Okay, now what this set path, meaning of this set path is, if you go to that particular folder, program file java jdk bin, here if you search for java, there will be an application called as java. Again there will be an application called as javac. These are commands that we are telling command prompt that okay, the commands are over here, go to this path and execute those commands. These commands we will require during our file compilation and execution. Okay, javac is for compilation, java is for execution. That's it with java installation and doing set path. I will put the URL to download in the description box. If you are running on a system, if you are running on a 32-bit, you will Google download JDK 32-bit. It will give you, and install that particular JDK for 32-bit. Okay. Fine. Keep watching. Thank you.